Well, let's talk about UltraTech Cement. The big boy comes out with a set of numbers as well tomorrow. And if you look at, the last few days, the stock has been a little bit under pressure. It's come off 5 to 6% from the recent peak. In terms of the numbers, we're booking 7.5% growth on the top line. EBITDA numbers expected to grow by close to around 35%, which would mean margins will expand big time. For UltraTech Cement, the reason that the stock saw some bit of nervousness is because the volume growth was only around 5%. The sheet was getting used to, big outpacing in terms of the industry growth. But this time around, it appears they've grown in line with the industry, though the overseas business grew better, which gave you a consolidated volume growth of around 6%. Though some part of the street was still disappointed even with that number. The other factors at play will be realizations will be up by close to around 2% on a sequential basis, 2 to 3% approximately. And the EBITDA per ton or the EBITDA margins will be aided by some kind of operating leverage that will play out, better prices, as well as input costs could have cooled off because power and fuel costs did see a bit of a decline. What are we looking at? We're looking at management commentary on pricing, on demand ahead of the elections, and also how is the expansion progressing. So that's all the management commentary that we'll be keeping an eye out on. Sudeep Bandupadhyay joins us on the show.